Hey, what's up? Welcome to the Alligator Performance Garage. We're hanging out with Sterling from Industrial Injection, and it looks like we have a box of injectors sitting in front of us. What do we have here?
We do. These are our in-house remanufactured 6-liter injectors. So we offer these for the 03 to 04 and then the 04.5 to 07 models. I'll open these up, have a look at them here. Yeah. So, and this is exactly how you'll get them from us. They order the injectors from your website. This is exactly how they're going to show up.
Gotcha.
Very nice packaging.
I noticed all the serial numbers and all the information,
right.
All the tags are right there on the box for,
your RGA
for not only you, but for the customer to see that as well.
Right, yeah, it's got all your RGA numbers for your core. Cores to go back in here and send this box right back to us with your cores in it.
Makes it easy.
Yeah, we try to make it as easy as possible to get that core money back. So inside the box here, obviously you're going to have your 8 injectors.
Shut up a little bit. And everything's nice and cut foam. It's not moving around anywhere, not getting damaged, all these banging around or anything like that. It's
right, yeah, just not
nice
all tossed
secured.
in. You know, make sure that all the electronics get there in one piece. You know, you don't end up with anything broken. So what we're doing with these is it's a complete remanufactured injector.
Right.
Everything that goes into this thing is a brand new OE part. Brand new nozzles, the entire, all the internals of the injector are replaced with all brand new components. And one thing that we
new electronics
is all brand new electronics.
Yep.
The electronics are definitely a weak point on the factory 6-liter injector. So that's something we didn't even want to entertain reusing. So every single one of these injectors is going to have all brand new OE electronics on them. Another really cool thing about these injectors is the warranty that we're offering. Right. We have a very aggressive warranty on these injectors. It's a full 2-year unlimited mile warranty, and it's a parts and labor warranty, and it's a no hassle warranty. So
it'd be nice having the labor side of things, because if they do fail, and I'm sure you're under % failure rate on these.
We are, right.
And if they do fail, then you will kick the cash to the shop to actually do the uninstall and reinstall the new injectors.
Yep, absolutely.
Nice.
And with the no hassle side, let's say in the uncommon event that you do have one of these injectors fail, all you need to do is pinpoint which one it is. You give us a shout, we'll get you taken care of with a replacement.
Nice. And then like pretty much any of your guys' injectors goes through the extensive testing through your guys' Bosch facility that you have there on site? Very
extensive, yes. We've got a full state-of-the-art fuel shop. Nothing leaves our facility without rigorous testing beforehand to make sure that it's 100% ready to rock and roll, put in the pickup truck, and go.
Perfect. Right on. Well, if you guys have any questions at all, just hit us up. Otherwise, we will have pretty much, I think, every single industrial part number possible for the, especially the diesel side of things, available on our website at alligatorperformance.com.
These are our in-house 6-liter remanufactured injectors.
What are these?
I don't know.
I don't fucking know.
I don't know. A fucking brain fart.
Right?
Yeah, let's redo that. I think it can be on the blooper reel.
Exactly. So what do we have here? We have
motherfucking
injectors. We have awesome in this box, all right?
I should be like, so these are...
Welcome to the Alligator Performance Garage. We're hanging with...
Are we just fucked now?
Now we're fucked. It's downhill. This is why we only can do 3 videos in a day.
Oh, man.